Welcome back to the door drama series. Is your door making ghastly sounds when you open and close it? It probably needs a little bit of attention so that you don't have to call us out to your house. Never adjust the garage door. Leave that to the professionals. You are only here to silicone spray it twice a year. I'm going to show you the proper way of making your door stop making ghastly sounds. You want to use a silicone lubricant on your hinges and rollers, and you also want to spray your springs. And the reason you want to use a silicone lubricant is so that it does not collect dust and other dirt into your rollers and springs and your hinges. If you use something like WD-40, you will end up with dirt everywhere attached, and your door will make worse sounds. So what you want to do is you want to spray your hinges a little bit, goes a long way, right where it makes contact. So you spray into your ends of your rollers. And then what you want to do is you want to hit your garage door and open it up, and you want to spray these rollers right here where they're turning. Give them each a little bit of a spray. A little bit goes a long way. You don't need a lot. So open your garage door. You also want to spray your springs. If you notice up here, the springs, they are all one piece, which means that they are not broken. If you have these drums up here where your shaft is going through, you want to make sure you spray those. They roll as well. To keep the ghastly sounds out of your garage door, spray with a silicone lubricant 2 times a year. And if you notice anything like a frayed cable or your springs have a gap in them, make sure to give us a call at Grove City Garage Door.